I'll explain one more topic, that is, I'll just create a class. Static, non-static is done, right? Okay. Static, non-static method test. Okay. What are starting and non-static method? We'll see. Okay. Okay. I'll create one more method. Public void method 1. Okay. I've created one method and I'll create one more method, method 2. Okay. These are non-static methods. Okay. I'll create some method 3 and see carefully. Okay. Method 3 and method 4 I'll create. Okay. But with the static keyword. Okay. Now always this is, I'll just print here SYSOU. I'll give some message. This is METHOD method 1. Okay. Same way I'll print it everywhere. This is method 2. Right? This is my method 2. This is my method 3. This is my method 4. Okay. Then what I'll do is, so, and this is my, okay. This is my main method, right? This is also static only, right? This is also, main method is also always static. Okay, I'll just run and show you people what will get the output. Okay, I'm getting, this is my main method. Am I getting this any other methods? No. Always execution will be there in the main method. Whichever the other methods are there, you will have to call the methods in the main method. Then only execution will happen. Now, I'll show you like how you can read the method. There is one concept. You can read static method to static method directly. Okay. If you want to read static method to non-static, how you will read? Static to non-static. This is method 1, my non-static method, right? Method 2 also is non-static. 3 is static. 4 is static. So main method is also static. So if I want to read static to non-static, how do I read? And static to static, how do I read? First, I'll read my method 3 static. Okay, see carefully. If I want to read static to static method, I'll just take method METH method 3. Okay, see, I'm getting in the suggestion. Directly I can read. Okay, METHOD method 4. But am I getting the suggestion like something like method 2 or 1? I'm not getting, because these are non-static, right? See, now if I run here, main method, method 3, method 4, because I have called them in main method. Whatever you're calling in main method, right? Declaring or calling, that only will execute. Okay. Now method 1 and method 2 I have not called, they are not getting executed. So if I want to call this non-static method, how do I do? So if you, what we did, like in order to read our non-static variable or instance variable, we created object, right? For a class.
Object. Yeah.
So I'll create an object for my class now. I've created this. I have written I have just named it as MET, or you can name any. Okay, new equal to your class name. Just this is a syntax. Okay, you should remember. Now, if I use this reference variable, but if I do, now I'm getting, see, method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4. Now I want to read my method 1. Right? Now, in the same way, method 2. Okay. So, if I want to read some non-static methods, I'll have to always use an object reference. Means by creating an object for that class, by using that reference variable, I can call those methods. But static to static call, either you can call them directly or you can do by using a, again, if with this also that will work, okay? Or directly also you can call. But non-static call, you'll have to create an object. Now we'll see how it executes. See, method 3, main method, method 3, method 4, method 1, method 2. Is it clear? These are like static, non-static method. Understood?
Yeah.